How to create an account on eBay. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to create an account on eBay, what you're gonna do is first of all launch the application on your device. After you do that, over here you can see two options: sign in and create account, or continue with Google or Facebook. If you already have an account previously and want to get back into that account, tap on sign in. However, if you're new to eBay and want to create a new account, tap on create an account. After you do that, due to protection reasons, this page cannot be shown. However, over here, if you enter your email, your first name and your last name, then you can continue with email and successfully create an account, or you can simply continue with Google account or your Facebook account over here. So this is how you can create an account on eBay. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.